Need to turn a video clip into a GIF? This tool makes it quick and easy. It's perfect for creating GIFs for social media, memes, tutorials, and other content you want to share online. Here's how it works. Upload the video you want to convert into a GIF. Tip: shorter videos convert faster and create smaller, easier-to-share GIFs. Next, choose a frame rate to balance smoothness and file size. Next, use the slider or buttons to choose your desired resize scale or enter specific dimensions. Then, adjust the GIF quality slider to balance between file size and image clarity. You can also enable or disable looping depending on your preference. Once everything looks good, click Generate GIF to create your file. Finally, download the created GIF. And there you have it, a smooth looping GIF ready to share online. Ready to make your own GIFs? Upload a video and start creating with Video to GIF today.